Good morning, friends. My topic is meeting the psychological needs of employers in all the professions. So, it is important to meet the psychological needs of employees as it is essential for fostering a healthy work environment and to promote an overall well-being. So, it should address various factors which contribute to employers' mental health and to ensure a support system to assist them. So the both in state and international level, several policies and initiatives are introduced to shape how the organizations or the group should approach this important aspect of employee welfare, because uh, it is very essential for an healthy environment to have employers with good psychological needs. So first we can look into the healthcare professions, and it face very unique challenge as the healthcare professions. There are nurses and doctors who are continuously seeing so much patients in various situations. The patients who are undergoing various pains and all. So they have high stress environments, long hours, and they are always exposed to severe traumatic situations. So they need a tailored support system and resources. So first one is mental health support programs. So in the healthcare organization itself, they can provide counseling services where the employers or the healthcare professionals can share their problems and can find solutions which will help them to reduce problems. So then confidentiality and stigma reduction, which are also crucial to encourage healthcare professionals to seek health when needed. And also they can give training and resilience building, because they can be trained for resilience, that is for how to get adapt to the several situations that they are witnessing. So several simulation exercises and debriefing sessions can be provided to them for reflection and the skill development, and also peer support and community building. So they have to support each other. There should be a peer support for a good mental work. There should be a good camaraderie and solidarity, that is there should be a good rigid bond between the peers, and they should create spaces for healthcare workers to share experience, seek advice, and offer support to one another, which fosters a supportive work environment. Next is the education professions. So educators face many psychological challenges, which is mainly in dealing with the several different behavior of students, also high workloads and coping up with emotional strains. So it is essential to support the psychological well-being of the educators to ensure a effective teaching learning environment. So first one, we can actually have counseling services or to meet the mental health needs of the educators, and also wellness programs, stress management workshops, etc. So creating a culture that values educators' well-being and recognizes their contributions can help them reduce burnout and turnover. And next is professional development and training. So we can give them training on classroom management techniques, self-care strategies, and conflict resolution skills, that is how to solve the conflicts between two students or within himself or herself, and also can provide professional development opportunities which support educators and to in their roles and enhances their overall job satisfaction. And in this also peer collaboration is needed, because collaborative learning communities and peer observation opportunities promote collaboration and continuous improvement among educators. And next is corporate professions, where employees experiences stress from high pressure deadlines, workplace politics, and job insecurity. Mainly this happens the corporate sections which is in the IT field, because the deadlines pressure is the main thing they are facing. We can see it in the movies also, how they face so many stress and pressure to meet the deadlines. And it is crucial to maintain the psychological needs of the corporate professionals in maintaining moral productivity and employee retention. And the corporate professions can actually introduce several EAPs, which are employee assistance programs, which help or which provide them confidential counseling services, crisis intervention, and resources for mental health support. It also encourages to seek assistance when needed, and also work-life balance initiatives, because they can give flexible work arrangements, telecommuting operations like work from home or something. Then wellness programs support employees which manage their work-life balance, and it actually prioritize the self-care, which enhances overall job satisfaction and well-being. Then there is leadership development and supportive management practice. It helps in training them to emphasize or giving importance to empathy, that is understanding others, and active listening, and for effective communication skills to create a supportive work environment. And also it provides them to prioritize, give importance to regular check-ins, constructive feedback, and recognize employees' contribution to foster positive team culture. Then next one is service professions, which is in hospitality or in retail sector, etc. So in the professionals in service industries, they face a high level of stress due to the customer interactions, long hours, and unpredictable work environments. So it is essential for maintaining job satisfaction and customer service quality. So first, customer service training and support. So they can give training on de-escalation techniques, conflict resolution skills, and self-care strategies to manage stress effectively, and also implement policies which prioritize employee safety and well-being in customer interactions, support a positive work environment. Also stress management and self-care programs, so they can provide access to resources such as mindfulness meditation session, relaxation techniques, mental health resources, etc., and can create opportunities for regular breaks, rest periods, and team bonding activities which promote the well-being and resilience of the employers. And the next one is team building and peer support, that is to create a strong bond between the service professionals and encouraging them for open communication, mutual support, and collaboration, which enhance team cohesion and job satisfaction. And next is creative professionals in arts and design, because they face some unique psychological challenges, because they will be having a creative block, self-doubt, and in managing expectations. Creative block in this sense, sometimes they something will block them from having that creativity or that creative mind or creative ideas. So for nurturing creativity and innovation, supporting their psychological well-being is very essential. And first one is creative block and performance anxiety. So this can be reduced through various sources such as workshops, coaching, creative retreats, etc. And also we can encourage them in experimentation, risk-taking, self-expression, etc. Then peer feedback and collaboration, that is we can conduct peer critic sessions, collaborative projects, creating brainstorming sessions which will have an open discussion and help in find the solutions, and also provide opportunities for them to receive feedback, share ideas, support one another, etc. So it creates a culture that values collaboration, diversity of perspectives, and also constructive criticism. And next one is work-life integration and flexible schedule. It offers flexibility in work schedules, remote work options, creative freedom. It supports work-life integration and enhances creative professionals' overall well-being. So it provides resources for managing work-related stress, setting boundaries, practicing self-care, etc. So the next one is technological professions, which is in the technology sector, where the employers often face pressure to innovate rapidly, meet tight deadlines, stay abreast of emerging technologies. So for fostering creativity, productivity and job satisfaction, it is important to support their psychological well-being. So we should provide counseling services, peer support groups, online forums for the employers in the technological professions, and also offering remote work options, flexible schedules and wellness programs, and work balance, and reducing the stress, and to establish clear expectations, communication channels and boundaries for remote work, promote productivity and well-being. Then professional development and skills, which enhances the opportunities, which provides the opportunities for continuous learning, skills development, career advancement, etc., and to offer a mentorship programs, hackathons and collaborative projects fosters a culture. So it is very important to meet the psychological needs of employers in all the professions, because in one way or another they all are facing so many issues due to high workloads, or for dealing with others, lot of stress, pressure, etc. So it is very important to create a supportive work environment which will foster the well-being of the employee and also for a high productivity. So if the employees are not mentally well, they can't give good productivity. So it is very important to conduct or implement so many tailored programs, workshops, initiatives for addressing the mental health problems of the employers, like stress management, work-life balance, training. So we have to give peer support, certain programs, training and all to manage to this stress, and have to give them access to the counseling services, and organizations can effectively support their employees' mental health. So we should recognize the unique challenges faced by different professions, such as high stress environments in healthcare, emotional strain in education, and pressure to innovate in technology allows for targeted interventions. Thank you.